Sigma Dongguan Automation Limited. Our company is specialized in research and development, manufacture and sales of special robot arm for injection molding machine, as well as surrounding automation equipment. Our products can be widely applied in automobiles, components, industrial appliances, electronic communications industry, food and beverage industry, medical devices, toys, cosmetic packaging, PET preform molds, photoelectric industry, home appliances, etc. Since its establishment in 4 years, the production and management of Sigma step on to a higher level each year. The annual performance always maintains 60% growth. Company size continues to increase and successfully expanded the new factory. Our company's automation products users all over Russia, Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, and other countries. Sales network throughout the country. People united together can move mountains. Unremitting efforts will make success no longer distant. The young Sigma, as newborn calves, lie in the field of automation. So, who lead us to catch today's glory? Everything is in the following wonderful content. Unique products is the lifeblood of Sigma to develop in the industry. Sigma's characteristic and feature products mainly include picker for injection molding machine, swing arm robot, picker for vertical injection molding machine, light-duty beam robot, high-speed 5-axis servo robots, and different products. Customize a set of optimized solutions. Meanwhile, our company also strives to develop and produce takeout robots, and the rear-end automation continue to use products of the injection molding machine. The supporting equipment, Sigma designed for automation production of injection molding machine, has greatly improved the production quality of injection molding industry, and also effectively guaranteed the safety of staff, reduce the enterprise's losses due to mistakes.
Producing department regards the quality as life on the current situation in terms of production. The qualifying rate of the standard model is over 98%. The qualifying rate of the non-standard model is over 95%. We are working to improve the quality of our products and strive to achieve customers' 100% satisfaction.
On culture, company uphold the concept of people-oriented scientific and technological innovation, see faster and higher standards as self-requirements, and convinced that good quality is the foundation of the company's development. Sigma has been used the world's leading CNC precision parts processing and strict quality inspection system to achieve the best performance of products and to create value, achieve common development and win-win situation.
Our product positioning in the relatively high-end market. Our enterprise's prospect is excellent high-end national brands, the company Chinese nation field product. Since the founding of our company, all of us Sigma staff has been working hard towards the goal. From research and development to production and sales and then to after-sales service. Every step of the process is relatively strict and high-end. We hope that in the near future, we can let the Chinese people, even the world, experience the charm of Chinese mechanical manufacturing.